Yeah, welcome everyone. My name is Oluwasegun Sholaja. So today I will be teaching us on how to have our questionnaire research material on Google Form. You know, right now there are technology tools you can use to ensure we are efficient in our research work. And at times your sample audience, your population might be far away from you and you need to sample their opinion. So instead of printing paper and then getting the questionnaire to them, we can do where to host it online and then send them the link, they fill it there and then we get response. So now the first thing is that let me just show you you can see this is the research material right now. You start from the coping strategy. Sorry for this one. Coping strategy for SMEs during COVID-19. Okay, so gender, it has been a research work I did and during the COVID. Okay, so gender is male, age, sector, qualification, number of employees, how old is this business, and then do they adopt technology in their operations before now? Then this section B, section C, section D. Okay, and then we have section E, retrenchment. So now ideally you print this one, maybe you print like 600 pieces, 1000 pieces, then you have to go to the field, administer this questionnaire to them. But now I just did what we're just going to host this thing online, and that's what I did actually. I hosted it online and I sent it to different organizations. I went there, spoke with them, seek their opinion about it, and then they started giving a link and then they got it free for me. So I will be putting us through that right now. So the first thing is that we go to our line. You can just go to Google or type Google for, or you can just push doc slash. Okay, let me just move on. Now here exists right now. So these are the recent forms I've created here. Okay, you can see here these are the recent forms I've created based on this. Everything is about business, certificate course, and this business registration. And you have business planner. So that's not where I'm going. So in your own case, you might not have this one there. It might be blank. Peradventure you don't have any form hosted on your account before. Okay, you have to sign into your Google account. This is Google form. So you click on blank, so it will load. Here is that you can just put anything like the title. So I will go to my this thing. Okay, just copy it. Questionnaire. Um. Okay. Okay. Questionnaire. Questionnaire on coping strategy. So just bold it. Okay. I think we are good to go now. Okay. So here you can just type anything you want to create. Say dear respondents. In attending. So just write anything you want to write there. Depends on then if it is undergraduate work or school project work, this letter of consent you seek there. So now is question one right now. Can just come here. That's my questionnaire. Sorry. Okay, this is questionnaire. The first one is gender, and I just copy this. Okay. gender. Here you have male. Here you have female. Yeah, fine. So it's required. If we put not required, if you off it, shows that the respondents can actually skip this question, which should not be too good for you. You know, any question that is not marked is like it's useless. That material, you have to remove it from your study material. Okay, so you click add question, question 2. This age, you put here multiple choice, less than 18. Okay, just copy them one by one there as you have them your search material. Copy them and paste. So that's all. You copy the next question. That's sector. Sorry. Sector. So question 1 is sector qualification. Okay, sector. We have food, we have fashion, we have tech, food, fashion, tech, service and others. So you have qualification here, others, yes. You have question, qualification. You have SSC, NC and ON. Okay, here multiple choice question. ND slash OND, BSc slash HND, MSc slash MBA, MSc slash MBA, PhD, and professional. So it's required already. Okay, click on add new question. Because number of employee, 0 to 5, 6 to 10, 0 to 5, 6 to 10, 11 to 15, 16 above. Okay, so how this business? Less than 1 year, 1 to 5, 6 to 10. So next one should be above 10 years. Okay, next question. Do you do you use technology? Do you adopt technology in your operations before now? Yes or no? Yes, no. So we are done with section 1 right now. Now, two things. You can either continue the question like that or you can make it in sections. So I would prefer to have it in sections so you won't bore your client, your respondent. You click on this add session. So at the first, they are going to see these questions alone at the page 1. Page 2, they are going to see this question. Okay, you can now put it, what's the title for this one? COVID effect. So you just add question here. Because someone said, just copy what you have here. Okay, just copy what you have here. Now the multiple choice question will now be strongly. You can see it's suggesting it already for you. Strongly agree, agree, neutral, disagree, and strongly disagree at all. At times you might need to type it by yourself there, okay? So it's not a C. D, yeah, okay. So that's all. That's why you just pick them by one. Strongly disagree, disagree, neutral. Some is undecided you're going to have there. So you have agree and strongly agree. So I think in my data what here is undecided. The same thing as neutral, okay? So you can get undecided. So here instead of typing all this thing, just duplicate this thing. Now you have duplicated this thing up there. Copy the next question, paste it there, paste, duplicate it. Put this one there. So I think this is the final one in that segment. Okay, so you see. So that's how you just continue the whole thing. Okay, so I think we are done with this. Just 5 questions. But prevention, your question are just two questions. You don't might not need to use sessions. I don't want to whereby they will now check. They will see a list of these things. That's why I'm making them in sessions. So I want to add next session right now. Call it government support. Government support. Add question here. Strongly disagree, disagree, undecided, agree, and strongly disagree. So that's how you are going to do it for this one. Duplicate it. Okay, sorry, it's not accurate. Disagree. Strongly agree. Yeah, sorry. You can see here now. Google is telling me that the form is telling me that I've this one is somewhere before. Like this same word is appearing up there, so it's a problem. Okay, so just duplicate it and then copy what you have here. So that's how you do them one by one. That's all. That's how you just get it done. True or true. So that's what you just need to actually get it done. From here now you can see the session are there. So what next now? Let's assume we are done with our questionnaire now. Come. Okay, so here is the form now. Here is it now. Everything is complete here. Okay, COVID-19 effect. Okay, I put here. That strongly agree. Now, this another means you can go about it instead of doing that. Okay, I will show us way of that one now too. How to go about that. So I'll surely show us about how to go about this one. So in case you need something like this, okay, need something like this. So this is how you get it done, one after the other, one after the other, one after the other. So okay, so let me just add another question there. Let me just repeat this question, okay? for this question. You can make it also scale, depends on you, depends on your audience. 1 to 5. Okay, you can call 5, 5 to be strongly agree, while 1 to be strongly disagree, and you are fine. So depends on anyone you want. Now don't forget, where I use such method, I've stated at the beginning that tick, please tick accordingly. Strongly agree is 1, agree is 2, undecided is 3, disagree is 4, and strongly disagree is 5. So they should pick from it. So depends. So in this your case, you just have to specify where you are using it, that your strongly agree is 5, while your strongly disagree is 1. So it's just anyone that fits you. So once you are done, click on send here, and then you can now click on this one, yeah, to get the link, this one to get the link, shorten the code, and then copy it. You can preview your question here. Yeah, you can see. Yeah, you can see. You can see. You can see. Okay. So once you are done, let me just pick something randomly on these ones. Mail. Okay. Tech. Okay. PSC. Okay, sorry, I made a mistake here. We get pardon. Sometimes about Google Form that you don't need to save. It's auto save. Okay. This one will say we still, once we've read this page like this, it will change. Number of employees, let's say, okay, so how this business is 1 to 5 years. Do you apply this in your, do you adopt technology? Yes. Next, click on next. Okay, just reload it. You can see that, okay, yeah. So next, yeah. So you let me put just be undecided, disagree, agree. Let me just click randomly. Next. Okay, shey you see now. Shey you see? Here is the other one I did. So that's how you go about it, one after the other. Okay. So in the next video, I'm going to actually tell us how we can export our results, and then export our result via our result. So okay, there's no need for that. Let me just do that. So just copy the link. Now once you have the link with you, ensure the browser you are using is still the same browser you are using to browse. So once you check the link from that thing, it asks you for something like this, edit this form. If it's on mobile too, you see this pen there to edit, click on it and then edit, and then click on responses. So here there's nothing has been responded here so far. But let me go to this mic. Okay, here, this one, you can click responses here. You can see people's responses here. Okay, so what I will just do is that I will just click on view sheet, or on my bring that you should create it. So these are the responses I've gotten from these people here so far. So now, so here is the question: is it? So what we just like come here and then come and download as a Microsoft Excel file. So and that's all. You have your data in your Excel. Straightforward. Let me put this for here. Yeah. So straightforward. So in the next video, I'll be teaching us how to convert this into SPSS for further analysis, and further you can use it for our future analysis. Okay, so thank you. If there's any question, you can do it to actually do it, ask me such question. Okay, thank you and God bless you.